Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, tuturuan ko kayo ng aking version ng fried rice. Bago tayo magsimula guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell para sa ating new recipes every week. So ngayon, huwag na natin patagalin pa, magsimula na tayo sa ating fried rice. So let's start with our ingredients. Right here, meron tayong 300 to 400 grams of basmati rice, celery. Meron tayo ditong bell pepper, spring onion, carrot, minced ginger, broccoli, onion, and of course, cloves of garlic. Right here, meron tayong curd powder, and then some soy sauce. And of course, hindi mawawala yung ating prawns. So ngayon, magsa-chop tayo ng garlic. Onion. I'm gonna put some olive oil. I'm using olive oil kasi so much healthier. Isa na natin yung ating bawang at sibuyas. We're gonna chop our carrots. I'm gonna add some celery. So, gamit yung ating wooden spoon, haluin lang natin siya. Hintayin lang natin siyang mag-sweat. Now I'm gonna chop my red bell pepper. I'll add our ginger. Some curry powder. So the curry will give a very delicious taste to our fried rice. So, tatanggalin din natin mamaya yung head ng prawns. Kinukuha lang natin yung kanyang lasa. Tanggalin natin siya. Now let's add our rice. As you can see, the color is very bright. And naamoy ko na yung curry. Very delicious. Now let's add some salt and some pepper. Now let's add our soy sauce. I will add some spring onion. So yan, set aside lang natin siya kasi luto na yung ating rice. So yan guys, kita nyo siya, ang ganda ng kulay ng ating fried rice. Very colorful. Now let's saute our prawns. Then I'll add some broccoli. I'll crush some more salt, pepper. So now it's time to plate our fried rice. So that's it guys, in less than 20 minutes we made a very delicious dish but very simple, so you can do this at home. So this is our curry fried rice with shrimps and broccoli. See you guys in our next recipe video. See you next week. This is Chef Morris Danzen. Happy cooking!